What? Look at it. It's starting to grow. It's so cool. I'm videotaping it. Whoa, that's intense. Don't you have to let it build a little bit more before you? Yeah. So that was like a premature.
It's my first time, okay?
Yeah, no, that's fair enough. First time for everything. There was not a criticism, it's just an observation. You put that big hunk in the back, you gonna get that? That's nuts! That is so crazy.
So you want to give it a try? Use this?
Oh my god, look at it keep building.
Ah! Oh my god! Should we put some more in?
I don't know!
This is not to overfill, so we gotta wait till the sun's out.
That's mental. That's nuts is what that is.
You just put sugar in and it spins?
I
It
guess.
spins.
I mean, I guess that's how it's happening. That's how it's going down.
Where
It's crazy.
Oh. I love this song.
I think this is a fairly impressive situation. Oh, how can something be so creepy and so awesome all at the same time?
Look at all that cotton candy.
Oh my lord!
She just put one little spoon and one tablespoon.
Are you kidding me?
That's it.
That's a lot of bank. Well, that makes me feel better about the pure sugar. At least it's more air than sugar. What's happening? What's happening?
I think it's just
That's right, you shut that business down.
Whoa! Kate, you didn't notice that?
Okay. Thanks for the praise.
Girls have tried out for your fancy new Rogue singing club? Why do you think that is?
What do you think?
Just musical talking.
Well, I guess
What do you
if I was
think?
a girl in this school and I wanted to be in a singing group, I'd be in New Direction.
Let's try that.
Enjoy your enormous bowl of disgusting creamy pasta.
Was it good?
Want some?
What, no chicken?